distress signals SOS through Morse light and accordance with Colerex Annex 4 and ICS. To transmit a distress signal using Morse light under Colerex Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals, the signal's SOS is sent as very short flashes, 3 long flashes and 3 short flashes, which is mo ni siya mo timilhan nga mo flash og katulo, mo signal og katulo sa mo flash og katulo sa suga. Then the light used, such as LDS lamp, must be directed toward the horizon or the intended receiver and repeated at regular intervals until acknowledged. Each short flash lasts about 1 second, while each long flash lasts about 3 seconds, with brief pauses between elements. Upon receiving the signal, the observer must recognize it as a distress call and immediately acknowledge by flashing at the same SOS or another appropriate response signal. The receiving stations must then take actions to assess really the distress message or information. Nearby vessels or authorities as required. So mao ka po ni ang kaning Annex 4 Colerex SOS. Same rin ka po ni siya itong sa kuan, pero na siya kalahian between sa Annex 4 to between Annex 5. So ang kaning signal ni siya na mga kanang sa mga suga-suga, pero ka flash pila ka seconds para mailhan or ma-detect sa maong kanang para mailhan sa mga between brief elements. Okay. Thank you.